Welcome to tutorial number 4. We're going to be talking about numbering prefixes, things like kilo, mega, and so forth. But fortunately for you, for your foundation assessment, you only need to know 3 of them, and I'll tell you what those 3 are. Fortunately, the numbering prefixes that you need to learn for your foundation assessment are pretty much used in everyday language. For example, milli, you would have heard of the term milliliters. A milliliter is 1/1000th of a meter, of a litre, sorry. Spelt that wrong. A milli is 1/1000th. And the symbol for milli is a little m. So, for example, 50 millivolts is equal to 50,000th of a volt. So milli means 1/1000th. Next one is kilo. Now you would be familiar with kilometre. A kilometre is 1,000 meters. Kilometre. So kilo means 1,000 times. Opposite to a milli. A milli is 1,000th, which is very small, and a kilo is 1,000 times. Just another example. 5 kilo litres would equal 5,000 litres. And the last one is mega. Mega, you might have heard of a megalitre of water. That a megalitre of water is 1,000,000 litres of water. So mega means 1,000,000 times. The symbol for mega is a capital M. So 5 megalitres of water would be 5 million litres of water. They're the ones you need to know for your foundation assessment. There are a lot of others, and I'm going to show you them just quickly. You don't have to learn them. You will notice that in your foundation manual, the publication, your entry into amateur radio, milli, kilo, and mega are bolded, and they've done that so that you know they're the ones that you have to commit to memory. Here is a more complete table. You don't need to worry about this column on the left-hand side. That's how to put these numbers into a calculator, and you won't need to do that until you do your standard or your advanced theory. So here are the names of all the prefixes that we're ever likely to use, and you can see there's a lot of them: iota, zeta, exa, peta, tera, and so on. Giga you're probably familiar with computers. You've got gigabytes of memory, or on a memory stick you've got a 4 gigabyte memory stick. The important ones for you for the foundation are milli. I can't highlight that. Milli, which is 1/1000th, and the symbol is M. Looking for kilo. Kilo, symbol is a little k, and that means 1,000 times. And mega, capital M, and that means 1,000,000 times. Excuse me. That's all you need to remember for your foundation assessment. You'll find this slide in the document folder of your DVD if you're watching this course on a DVD through the Radio and Electronics Skill. Well, that's it for this tutorial. Short tutorial just on numbering systems, mega, milli, and kilo. Remember them. Cheers for now. This is Ron, VK2DQ. Catch you in the next tutorial.